Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Guys, I have a question for you. What do you think is the most important thing to become fluent in speaking in English? Write down in the comment section. I'll review that and I'll speak on it in other videos as well. Here I'm going to talk about one important thing which I feel is very important to gain fluency in speaking in English. Without this, you will not be able to get fluent in English. And I'm sure you will agree to this. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section. And do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So let's begin. So what is that one important thing or skill which we need to have in us to become fluent in speaking in English? I'm waiting for your comments, but before that, what I feel is very important, I'm going to talk about it in this session. Okay, I feel the one important thing which will help us to become fluent and confident in speaking in English at the earliest is confidence. Yes, if you have confidence, you will definitely become fluent in speaking in English in no time. So confidence is the key to fluency, which I feel is. Now let's talk about how to develop this skill or how to develop confidence in us while speaking in English or to gain fluency and confidence in speaking in English. Let's discuss that. So I'll give you a background of what I'm trying to say. We know we have to practice English speaking, and the more we speak, the better we get at it, right? But when suddenly something comes up and we have to speak in English about it, whether to ourselves or in front of the mirror or in front of the video camera or in front of some person, we feel hesitant, we feel a little nervous, we forget words, we forget sentences, ideas, etc. Right? We are not able to come up with a proper sentence as well. Why this happens? Just because we lack confidence, right? So without confidence, we will not be able to gain fluency, that is for sure. Okay, when we will be confident in speaking in English, we will definitely be fluent in speaking in English. So the only solution to all our problems of getting nervous, forgetting words or sentences or ideas or not able to speak proper sentences is confidence. If you start gaining confidence, it will all disappear. Okay, so the first thing what we have to do is, and I hope you'll agree with me. Okay, now the first step what we can do to gain confidence is we should stop negative thoughts. Yes, this is very important, guys. We should stop thinking negatively about ourselves. We know we are not fluent. We know we are a beginner in English speaking. We know everything, but that doesn't mean that we can't speak, right? Or we don't know anything. The only thing which will help us is we have to think about it that if I face the situation, if I speak in a situation which is uncomfortable for me, that will help me to gain confidence. That will help me to gain fluency. So this is the first thing we have to do. We have to stop being negative about ourselves. Even if we are a beginner in English, even if we don't know the right sentences, right grammar or whatever, we have to speak, right? Simple sentences, small sentences, we all can make. We know that much English, guys. We should not feel uncomfortable speaking those sentences like, I am good, I am going to school, or we had a great weekend. These are very simple sentences we can speak, right? So stop being negative about yourself. Stop thinking that you don't know things. You know a lot. You are much better than a lot of people. It's just that you have to gain confidence in speaking in English. That's it. And for that, you have to start from somewhere. And if you keep on thinking that you don't know, or you will not be able to speak in English, you will never be able to speak then. Okay, you have to face that situation. You have to accept what you are. You have to accept that yes, you are a beginner. You don't know. Your English is not very good, but you're working on it. What if I say wrong sentences in front of people? That's absolutely fine. I'll correct myself for the next time. Right? So you have to start thinking in this way. Get rid of the negative thoughts. Accept what it is. Accept what your situation is. And once you start accepting that, it will help you a lot to start speaking in English. It will help you to gain confidence in speaking in English. So the first thing is accept what you are to get rid of the negative thoughts. This is the first thing you have to do. Number 2, take every opportunity positively. Now, what I mean by this, whenever you get an opportunity to talk to people or to speak on certain topic or to have a conversation with people, take it as an opportunity and be positive about that opportunity. You have to start thinking that yes, this is an opportunity for me. Let me try. And what if it goes wrong, or what if it doesn't materialize, or what if I am not able to speak properly? I'll learn something. It will be an experience. I'll learn something. So you have to take that opportunity positively. What does that mean is, whenever there is an opportunity, you just don't have to think about the consequences. You just have to think one thing, that I'll learn from this experience, however it is. If I make a blunder, if I am not able to speak, if I am not able to convey my ideas correctly, absolutely fine. I will learn from that experience. I'll learn something from there so that next time I'll improve on that. Okay, this is how you'll gain confidence in speaking in English, and later you will gain fluency also. So you have to take opportunity, grab opportunity, and be positive about that opportunity. Don't think of the consequences, what it will be. Like what people will think of me, people will start laughing at me, they'll make fun of me, they'll think that I don't know how to speak in English. Forget all these things. You will learn from that opportunity. You have to just think about it. And if you'll be positive, things will change for you. Okay, and trust me on this, guys, whoever is able to speak in English fluently now has been at that stage at some point of time. Okay, everybody has been through that stage. It's not that they were born with that skill, right? We are not in an English speaking country. We have never been born with that skill. We all have been through that phase of life. So be positive about it. Okay, grab opportunities and think positively about it. So this is the second thing you have to take care of to gain confidence while speaking in English. The third thing is always practice before speaking. So when you're not very fluent in speaking in English, when you are a beginner, you are scared of speaking, right? You don't just go and start having conversation on any topic. You choose your areas, you choose your zone, right? Comfort zone, and then you speak. So I would suggest start with small talks. Choose small topics like, hobbies or sports or weekend plans, daily routine. These kind of topics you choose and you start speaking about it at home to practice English speaking. So when you start speaking on these small talks or small conversations, right, which is called small talks, there are lots of small talks. There's a lot of small talk topics which you can get from the internet. So you can just start practicing on those topics, right? And once you are outside, if you meet a neighbor, a friend, a relative, or any stranger or anybody, just try to engage them in your conversation on those topics only. Okay, it It is very easy, guys. It's not difficult at all. Start with small talks. Practice it and start implementing it to speak also to people on those topics, right? These are very simple basic topics which you'll be able to get online and you can speak on it. I will come up with small talk sessions also. I'll pick up some topics and I'll speak on it as well. Probably next week I'm going to do this. So it will be easier for you to start practicing on those topics and you can go and start speaking to people on it. These are very simple, basic, conversational topics, and you'll be able to manage it in 2, 3 or 4 sentences also. Okay, it's not a long conversation. So start with that. So practice whatever you have practiced. Try to speak with people on those topics only, just to build up your confidence. If you feel that some topic is unknown to you, you will not be able to speak on that, you don't have much knowledge, or you have not practiced well on those topics, just skip those topics. But try to speak on some topics which you know, which you have practiced well. Try to introduce that topic and start speaking on it. You have to take that initiative, guys, right? So do this. This will also build up your confidence. Okay. And the last thing I would suggest is, whenever you are having a conversation with people or people are talking about certain thing, the only thing you can do is you have to be an active listener. Listen actively to what people are saying. When you listen actively to people, you will get clues, you will get ideas, you will get to know what you have to speak. Okay, that is very important. So when people are talking, focus on what they are talking about, right? And once you focus on it, you'll get to know what you have to speak, or what you can talk about, or what you can ask people about that topic. Or if you have any queries, any questions, or any related idea you want to put across, you will get that idea, or you'll get that clue from there. Okay, now the next thing what you can do here is, once you get that clue, try to come up with a sentence on your own, in your mind, on your head. Okay, try to frame a sentence and then speak. This is a very safe method of speaking with people in English to gain confidence and fluency. Okay, so be an active listener, get the clues about what you have to speak, or what you have to talk, or what you have to contribute to that conversation. Come up with a sentence in your mind and then speak. Okay, and come up with simple sentences only. Use simple sentences. That is absolutely going to help you. Okay, so follow these advices, guys, and you will definitely gain confidence in speaking in English. Start with your comfort zone and then gradually increase your difficulty level. That is the only way of gaining confidence and fluency in speaking in English. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.